Me too. A nice day today. That was a hummingbird, by the way. That thing that flew by. So cute, huh? Oh, I love the cute animals. You can come out if you want to say hi, little guy. You say hi, little squirrely. See if I can get close to the little guy. It's alright. It's okay. Hi. Hi, squirrel. Yeah. I hear some feet in there. Somebody's feet. Is that Mr. Chickmunk? It just might be. Oh, I see him. I see a tail. I see that tail. Yeah. Hope he comes out so I can see him closer. He's my friend. I want to see my friend up close. My little gray friend. Oh, he moved a leaf over there. Hello? Hello? Hi? Oh, he's coming down the tree, Mr. Squirrely. I hope he walks up to me. I'll stay still. I don't want to scare him. I don't think he's gonna walk up to me. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching.